Are you spending all day staring at one screen or another? Whether for work or to relax, the endless screen time takes a toll on our eyes and the skin around it. So if your eyes are constantly dry, red, or itchy, and you have headaches or blurry vision, or you're suffering from those dreaded panda dark circles, here are some tips to see you through it. The blue light from screens can strain your eyes and even cause insomnia. So if you just can't stop binging that new show or scrolling through Instagram, download a blue light filter app on your computer or phone to change the temperature of the light. You can even change the light and color settings built into your phone for healthier scrolling. If you spend most of your time working on a computer, it might be good to invest in blue light blocking glasses that will make your eyes much more comfortable. Relieve tension in the muscles around your eyes by using your fingertips to apply light pressure on the eye socket bones. This will relax the nerves and also help improve blood circulation. This magic number will give your eyes some much needed relief through the day. Take a break from your screen every 20 minutes and look at an object in your house or outside that's 20 feet away for 20 seconds. The change in vision reduces the strain and keeps you feeling fresh. Blinking helps produce tears to keep your eyes lubricated and prevents dryness and itchiness. So skip the medicated eye drops and blink away because this is the one time a few tears will do your body some good. Unfortunately, puffy eyes and dark circles come hand in hand with extended screen time. To brighten up the area, mix together 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of finely ground coffee for an energizing eye mask. The jolt of caffeine helps wake up your tired eyes and reduce dark circles while the cooling yogurt banishes puffiness. Along with an overdose of screens, dry eyes are also a symptom of dehydration. Although coffee is great as a mask, too much of it in your body will have you seeing double. Instead, drink tons of water and replenishing fruit juices. Finally, the most obvious tip that you've probably heard 100 times is to go screen-free whenever possible. If being on a device isn't essential, try going old school with pen and paper or spend your downtime listening to music or picking up that book that you didn't think that you had enough time for and save the screens for another day. We hope these tips help you keep your eye on your screen time and build healthier habits to have you seeing clearly. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.